Step-by-step guide to set up DKIM for Google Workspace. Warmy blog. DKIM, domain keys identified mail, enhances email security by adding a domain-specific digital signature to messages. Recipients verify this signature using a public key from DNS records, ensuring emails are genuine and unaltered, minimizing spam and phishing risks. For Google Workspace users, DKIM boosts email security, improves deliverability, enhances sender reputation, builds recipient trust, ensures regulatory compliance, reduces email attacks, and simplifies monitoring. Setting up DKIM for Google Workspace requires administrative access, DNS management for adding a DKIM TXT record, domain ownership verification, correct email domain configuration, and technical proficiency in DNS and email server settings. Step-by-step guide to configuring DKIM in Google Workspace. Step 1. Log into your Google Workspace admin console using your administrator account credentials. Navigate to the Apps section, then go to Google Workspace and select Gmail. Step 2. In the Gmail settings menu, find and select Authenticate Email. Choose the domain for which you want to set up DKIM and click on Generate New Record. You can specify the DKIM key length, either 1024 or 2048 bits, according to your security preference. Step 3. Once the DKIM key is generated, Google will provide you with a TXT record. Copy this record. Access your domain's DNS settings through your domain host's admin console. Add the TXT record to your DNS in the format specified by Google. The specific area to add this might be labeled as DNS management, name server management, or similar. Step 4. After adding the TXT record to your DNS, return to the Google Workspace admin console. Select the domain you are configuring and verify the DKIM setup by clicking on Start Authentication. This action activates DKIM signing for the emails sent from your domain. It might take some time for the DNS changes to propagate, so if the verification fails, give it a little more time and try again. Ensure your email setup, including DKIM, SPF, and DMARC, is correctly configured for optimal deliverability using Warmy's free email deliverability test. Gain insights and actionable recommendations to enhance your email security and ensure messages reach recipients effectively. Just a quick reminder before you go. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay updated on all our upcoming releases.